Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting deals to hit the PC gaming world, just in time for Prime Big Deals Day week, the MSI Gaming Bundle. We're talking about a combo that pairs what many are calling the best gaming CPU on the market, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, with a powerful MSI X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. And trust me, this isn't just a simple discount, it's a game changer. Unlocking the deal. Why this matters. This isn't your average sale. The core of this bundle is getting a massive discount by combining these high-end components. For just $639.99, you get the Ryzen 7 9800X3D and the MSI X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. Purchased separately, these would cost around $736.98, which means you're saving almost $97. And if you want to take it to the next level, there's a 3-component bundle that adds a 2TB MSI Spatium M480 Pro SSD for a total of $738.99, saving you about $165 compared to buying them all individually. The best part? You can get this directly from the MSI website without any special codes. With this deal, you're effectively getting the Ryzen 7 9800X3D for roughly $400 when you buy the motherboard with it. Considering the CPU alone costs $476.99 on its own, this is an incredible value. The star of the show, AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. Let's talk about the CPU itself. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D is an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse built on the new Zen 5 architecture. It's designed specifically for gamers, using the second generation of AMD's 3D V-Cache technology to deliver top-tier performance. Compared to its predecessor, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D, this chip brings some serious upgrades. Clock speeds. It has a base clock of 4.7 GHz and a max boost clock of up to 5.2 GHz, which are significant improvements over the 7800X3D's 4.2 GHz and 5.0 GHz. Performance uplift. In gaming, you're looking at an average gain of about 10% over the 7800X3D. For competitive players at high refresh rates, that could mean a 5 to 10% FPS boost. Productivity. It's not just for gaming. The Zen 5 architecture also gives you a 10 to 18% performance gain in productivity applications. This chip's design improvements, including moving the cache chiplet, allow it to maintain high clock speeds even in all core states, a notable advantage over the 7800X3D. The perfect partner, MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard. So what about the motherboard? The MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is an ATX board built for the AM5 platform, which means it supports the latest AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors. This board is packed with features for the future. Memory. It supports DDR5 memory with overclocked speeds of over 8400 MTS+. Networking. You get both Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN. Storage. It has 4 M.2 slots, 2 of which support the ultra-fast PCIe 5.0 x4 and a dedicated PCIe 5.0 x16 slot for your graphics card. USB. Comprehensive USB connectivity, including a high-bandwidth USB 4 Type-C port. The X870 chipset is a huge upgrade from the older X670. It makes features like USB 4 and Wi-Fi 7 standard on all boards and supports faster DDR5 RAM speeds. Should you buy it? This bundle is a no-brainer for anyone looking to build or upgrade a high-performance gaming PC. You're getting the best of both worlds, a top-tier gaming CPU and a future-proof motherboard, all at a significant discount. The effective price of the CPU alone makes this one of the best deals we've seen all year. What do you think? Are you considering this bundle for your next build? Let me know in the comments below.